Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to handle checkboxes in Selenium WebDriver. First, you need to locate the specific checkbox element on the web page. Then, you'll learn how to determine its current state, whether it's already checked or unchecked. Finally, we'll cover the simple action of clicking the checkbox to toggle its selection, ensuring your automation scripts interact correctly with these common UI elements. To verify a checkbox's state, Selenium provides the isSelected method. This method returns a Boolean value, true if the checkbox is currently selected and false if it is not. Understanding its current state is vital for building robust automation scripts, allowing you to perform actions only when necessary, like ensuring a checkbox is checked before proceeding. Toggling a checkbox's state is straightforward. You simply use the click method on the located element. If the checkbox is unchecked, clicking it will select it, and if it's checked, clicking will deselect it. You can combine this with isSelected to create conditional logic, ensuring you only click when you want to change its current state, for example, to always ensure it's checked. When dealing with multiple checkboxes, you can locate them all as a list of web elements. Then, iterate through this list, applying conditional logic to select or deselect specific checkboxes based on their attributes or text. This approach is efficient for forms with many options. Also, for more great content and deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.